Hi sir, my name is Kalyan Kumar Kattamuri, bearing a student ID of 1946122. First, I would like to explain about my research topic. My research topic is about brand awareness with social media tools. Uh, this is my PPT. Like I can't explain through this PPT because the words are unclear. So I would like to explain with the individual slides. So I'm going through this. This is my research topic, brand awareness with social media tools with other names. Uh, First, I would like to introduce about my topic. My topic is about like Mercy Store. Mercy Store embodies as a fresh startup managing products in the sector of fashionable accessories and apparels in India. Its main specialization lies in women wear, accompanied with a series of Western dresses as well as ethnic or Indian wear. The brand aims to be an elevated quality provider of products. However, the cost friendly pricing for improving the awareness and visibility of the brand, Mercy Store requires a highly qualitative provider of products alongside a cost effective pricing. Here, the paper aims to showcase how Mercy Store will be able to make use of several platforms of social media, including Instagram, Facebook, as well as YouTube, for helping the brand reach out millennials, the audience and the target. Coming to my objectives, the key aim of this specific assignment enables recognizing the most efficient platforms of social media marketing, which can be used by Meshi Store for its strategy of brand awareness. Here, the paper shall recognize how myriad platforms of social media marketing, along with Instagram, Facebook, as well as YouTube, can be used for various purposes of branding. So, coming to my research methodology, an analysis based on secondary research has been done in this assignment. A number of different articles has been considered from the last 5 to 6 years on the most efficient platforms of social media for brands of fashion and has been recognized with suitable data and statistics. A significant a significant usage of different books, journals, as well as websites has been considered on the strategies of social media along with the specific sites which can be utilized for awareness of marketing. There has been a thematic evaluation used where data patterns and their consistency has been considered for recording the most suitable information. The usage of myriad websites and books from the record in the last 5 years has been taken into account for ensuring the validation of data, its reliability and specific nature of research. Like it is made up the recorded information which is offered in the section of results has been encompassed on the basis of specific theory based frameworks. Models like descriptive and predictive models of social media marketing has been taken into account. Coming to my literature review, this market of fashion as well as accessories is beginning the present times of increased globalization, faster and swifter transportation, and easier regulations of import and export. A number of international brands has been facing rivalries in new nations and yet earning great amount of profits. As a company in the industry of fashion wear as well as accessories, Mercy Store represents as a fashion wear brand based in India and has been witnessing significant struggles in terms of standing out among other rivalry companies in fashion. Being a brand which operates in the platform of e-commerce, it is pertinent for the organization to have its strategy of internet marketing and social media more effective. The models used in this case is provided here. Like I used predictive models and descriptive models as taken. So coming to predictive models, it analyzes the past to comprehend the results of future. It allows comprehending what might occur and why it may happen. Here, the model can prove to be meaningful for brands accompanying a substantial extent of interaction with humans, along with the significant level of social media data. It is meaningful to evaluate the fresh consumers for having the memberships renewed. The evaluation of data is done and the scheme is steadily enabled for running. So this kind of a predictive feature enables a substantial understanding in case a transition in the social media interactions reduce the risks which would not renew. It allows discovering the new prime factors which help to drive target, and the features in case of predictive modeling are geographic recognition and demographic recognition, guided topic creation, influencer analysis, behavior patterns and configuration, along with advanced analytics. Coming to my descriptive models, it is utilized for creating a relationships among different elements of data. It allows the grouping concept. They're constructed on the past data of activity, which substantially offers what occur in the plan. Here the data can be utilized to develop a model for understanding the customer responses to a particular marketing activity. In an environment of social media, the mentions, comments, customer posts, view of pages along with the reviews can be elucidated as descriptive data. Coming to the results of the topic, uh, like I took Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. So first I would like to explain about Facebook. The platform witnesses an access by over 3 billion users on monthly basis across the entire world and showcases the potential of the target marketing outreach. It almost reaches like 82% of the accessors of Facebook in India belong to the 18 to 30 years of age group, as well as demographics, and embody as the most active of users. Pursuant to predictive analytics, the future of ads of Facebook, including stories, live video, along with the messenger ads. Pursuant to analytics of Facebook, the number of comments, likes, along with mentions, might be utilized for determining the engagement of users on Facebook. Coming to Instagram, like a significant increase of influencer based marketing has been witnessed on the platform of Instagram on the basis of a website named Match Advisor. The users showcase a certain level of trust on the peers and micro influencers for making a specific decision to purchase or buy. There are a number of brands, including KFC, Yorks, which utilizes virtual influencers in order to promote products. The quantity of likes, followers, comments, shares are some of the ways by which a platform effectiveness might be measured. Coming to YouTube, pursuant to almost 51.9% of markets, video marketing one of the best solutions to render return on investment. A number of studies showcased if the integration of video is done in the landing page, the conversion rate shall be over 80%. These members can showcase a better advertising future of YouTube videos. Coming to my conclusion of topic, the paper showcases the importance of Instagram, YouTube, as well as Facebook as one of the most efficient platforms of social media marketing for awareness of the brand and efficiency in the context of Messi Store. The organization can utilize these strategies and platforms for engaging masses, specifically the group of millennials and engaged people. Coming to my recommendations, Mercy Store must consider using casual video ads on Facebook as well as for offering feeds on regular basis. It should associate with the customers using highly interesting contents for awareness of users and their education, and why Mercy Store suits the brand as a sustainable and ethnic believer of fashion. So like it believes in ethical way of fashion, so that brand may be sustainable in the market. So Mercy Store may also be improved by influencer based marketing on YouTube and Instagram, and must associate with the influence of social media in India, because it might create an impact with the Mercy Store to develop itself by using of social platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and make use of the products for assisting them to with an improved feedback. This shall augment awareness of users and enhance the brand. So, coming to my discussions and implications, the research usage of the topics, tools of the social media marketing can be time saving, cost effective, as well as extremely targeted. Based on demography, with more users being young, the usage of the tools can come as a smart and efficient strategy over conventional tools of marketing like radio and television. Like it may create impact of marketing with the usage of radio and television. So this was the end of my research. Coming to references, like first, Akyol S 2013, Social Media Marketing, Viral Marketing, Academic Journal of Interdisciplinary Studies. Alves H. Fernandez C. and Rapashaw M. 2016, Social Media Marketing, a Literature Review and Implications, Psychology and Marketing, 33, subsection of 12. Bernhard J. M.S. D. and Hurl A. 2012, Social Marketing at the Right Place and Right Time with New Media, Journal of Social Marketing, 2 subsection 2, pp 130 to 137. Duranda Jabrowicz M. 2012, Marketing W. Social Media, now E-Media, 0 subsection 3, p59. This was the end of my research topic. This was my end of the explanation. Thank you, sir. Thank you.